Good morning from Le Havre, France. Today I'm setting out on a day trip to one of Normandy's most spectacular destinations, Étretat, a charming seaside town famous for its dramatic white cliffs, stunning coastal scenery, and breathtaking views of the English Channel. Before leaving, I enjoyed a hearty breakfast and packed a few essentials for the adventure ahead. Weather in Normandy can be incredibly unpredictable. Sunshine, wind, clouds, and even rain can all arrive within the span of a few hours. One of the best things about traveling in this region is how affordable public transportation is. My bus ticket to Étretat cost just €2, making it one of the most budget-friendly day trips in France. As the bus left Le Havre behind, the scenery quickly transformed into the beautiful Normandy countryside. Rolling green fields stretched across the horizon, dotted with farms, grazing livestock, and charming villages. The peaceful rural landscapes made the 1-hour journey feel much shorter, and I found myself constantly looking out of the window, enjoying the breathtaking views. The town has a relaxed coastal charm with colorful buildings, cafes, local shops, and visitors making their way toward the sea. Standing above the cliffs, I was rewarded with breathtaking views of Étretat's famous natural arch and the stunning coastline stretching into the distance. The combination of emerald green grass, white chalk cliffs, turquoise water, and dramatic skies created a landscape that felt almost unreal. After spending time enjoying the views and capturing photographs, I slowly made my way back down toward the beach. Walking along the shoreline offered a completely different perspective of the cliffs. Looking up from below, their sheer size and beauty were even more impressive. I spent some time simply enjoying the atmosphere, watching the waves roll in and observing the seagulls soaring effortlessly above the coast. Moments like these remind us why travel is so rewarding. It's not just about reaching a destination, but about appreciating the beauty and experiences along the way. As the afternoon came to an end, I took a leisurely stroll through the town, stopping to pick up a few souvenirs for family and friends back home. It's always nice to bring back a small reminder of the places we visit and the memories we create. With my day in Étretat coming to a close, I headed back to the bus stop and boarded the return bus to Le Havre. Looking back, this day trip exceeded all expectations. From the peaceful Normandy countryside and scenic hike to the breathtaking clifftop views and relaxing beach walk, Étretat proved to be one of the highlights of my journey through France. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you on the next journey. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and following along for more travel experiences from France and around the world.